In this video, I'm gonna show you the simple things that are highly satisfiable.
Bubble wrap popping. It's like bursting out the negative feelings from us.
Butter melting in the pan. It's so satisfying to watch butter melting in the pan. Walking on the crunchy leaves. Sound of breaking the ice. That crunchy sound gives good feeling. Sneezing. It's quite good actually. Calligraphy. The smooth writing gives a little amount of satisfaction, right? Peeling off the face mask. It's too softy and satisfying to peel. Walking on the fresh grass. It gives the sense of fulfillment and feeling of the grass under the foot. Having a fully charged mobile phone. Sleeping in your bed after a long vacation. A fresh smell from a flower. Remembering actually what you are gonna say. Don't missing out. Phone washing or car washing the wiping off of phone. Feels like wiping the negative energy from us. Waking up before the alarm rings. It feels like a sense of achievement. Peeling off the plastic cover from the new things.